What's up, everybody? It's me back again with another video. What's going on? How you guys doing? Thank you so much for joining me. Today's video is going to be very different than what I usually do. Today we're going to be reviewing this wig right here from the company Beauty Forever. So if you're interested in those type of videos and want to hear my thoughts on the wig, then please stay tuned. All right, guys, thank you so much again, like I said, for joining me on this video. Today I'm going to be reviewing this wig. So we're going to start with what came in the box. So I purchased this wig a few weeks ago, and what came in the box was these duckbill clips, this headband right here, this second headband right here, and these wig caps. Is it one or two? So disclaimer, guys, I am not a professional wig reviewer, okay? I don't know what I'm doing. I can admit that. I can admit that. So don't drag me too hard in the comment section. You know, be nice. Be nice. All right, so it's late, guys. I want to get through this video and be as thorough as possible, but not waste any time by rambling. So I do have my notes here. So if you see me looking down, that's what I'm looking at right now. All right, so first things first, this hair is a human hair wig. It is an 18-inch, I think it's a jerry curl half wig. I want to say it's jerry curl. I believe it's that, or curly, as they like to put it. But it's 18-inch human hair. This is my first human hair wig. Which is why I'm actually reviewing it, because I've been seeing all over YouTube everybody reviewing these headband wigs, and I was very, very intrigued. I went ahead and splurged. I paid, I think, $106 on this particular wig, and yeah, so this is how she pretty much came. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the pros of this wig. So first one is that it's very, very soft. Very soft. You can run your hands through her. You can wet her, style her however you like. She is easy to work with. Very soft and very easy to work with. You won't run into like any difficulties unless you just don't know how to use combs. And you know, for those days they want to just get up and run out the house, this is a great what am I looking for? Alternative. This is a great alternative. All right, so let's get into some of the cons, because there are a few that I found with this particular wig. First of all, it is these small pieces right here. These small pieces right. This is supposed to be an 18-inch wig when stretched. And I can honestly say that I don't believe this is 18 inches. I'm gonna be honest. I'm not, like I said, I'm not the biggest fan of putting this hair in a ponytail at the top. To me, it just doesn't look right. So that's a con for me. I was really hoping that they was gonna not do this. Another one is, when I got this hair out of the package, it had the strongest chemical smell I've ever smelled on hair. I went ahead and washed her, soaked her a little bit, and for the most part, the smell is mostly gone. So I don't smell it anywhere near like I was smelling it when I first opened up the package. So, but that was, that was a really big con for me, because I was just like, where did they get this? And why is it so strong? She does tangle. She tangles. In the back, she's a little bit tangled in the back. And that's because, you know, I'm constantly wearing her down. She's getting blown in the wind when I'm at work. And she's going up, she's going back in a ponytail, then she's going down, then she's going back in the ponytail. So she does tangle. So if you're under the impression that human hair wigs don't tangle like synthetic wigs do, they do. Yes, human hair wigs do tangle. Maybe not as much and not as harshly, but yeah. Yeah, they do. And she did shed a little bit as well when I was washing her and soaking her. She did give me a little bit of shedding, but I haven't had that issue since then. So, and that was, you know, before I tried her on and everything like that. So I do recommend washing your wigs before you wear them, because even if they don't have that strong chemical smell, you definitely want to get, you definitely want to get all the shedding pieces that are bound to come out. You want to go ahead and get those out of the way. Also, I have a bit of a rant, okay, in regards to the company Beauty Forever. You know, no shade to Beauty Forever. I'm pretty sure that if you had a great experience with them, that then, you know, by all means. And maybe it was just this one time. I have no idea. But yes, again, one of the cons to this, one last con to this wig is that it should have been a actual headband wig. And I get my package come in and it's this wig, which, like I said, no complaints, no real complaints about the wig, but it should have been a headband wig, a half wig with a headband attached. But that was not the case. And I was very disappointed because I was really looking forward to that. I did not order a half wig. So what I did was I had decided that I was just gonna go ahead and return it. So I got in contact with the distributor or whoever is running the company, and I was like, hey, you sent me the wrong wig. I wanted a headband wig, you know, the half wig with the headband automatically attached and the Velcro at the back. And you sent me a half wig. Well, she was kind of making it seem like I ordered the wrong one when I know I did not. Because I typed in Beauty Forever headband wig. So when she was trying to convince me that I didn't actually get the headband wig, I was just like, no ma'am. I went on this website directly from Google that when I typed in headband wig, okay, Beauty Forever headband wig, so whatever. And the picture that was on the website was of a young lady with a headband wig on. So I don't understand how I end up ordering a half wig. If you are going to advertise a wig using pictures, shouldn't it be a wig that you actually sell that's actually from you? Maybe I'm overthinking it. Maybe it's me. I don't know. But I thought that was weird. I thought that was very weird. In regards to that, I just felt like when I was ordering this wig and I was speaking with this lady, she was like, oh, we're sold out of this, we're sold out of that, we're sold out of this. And I was like, if that's the case, then why wasn't it specified on the website that you are out of stock on this particular wig? I feel like they do, and I feel like they do that on purpose so that they get your money already. It's already a done deal, and then they just send you whatever they have that's closest to what you ordered. Does that make sense? I don't know. Has anybody else had that happen or have suspected that of happening with these companies? Because if I get on the website and I'm ordering all this stuff, and then I get you on the phone and you telling me all this stuff that I'm ordering or want to order or already ordered is out of stock, why isn't that not posted on your website? Why would you allow me to purchase something that you don't have if you're not just trying to grab my money? And what sealed the deal for me was after I contacted her, she was like, send me some pictures, make sure that the hair isn't used and it's in good condition, and then I'm gonna tell you where to send the wig. And so I'm already kind of like rubbed the wrong way because she sent me the wrong way, and because she was aware that the wig that I wanted was out of stock, and she was trying to get me to, and so I wanted an exchange, and I was already gonna have to settle for a wig that I wasn't particularly interested in. But then also I was gonna have to pay to send it back. Okay, so I sent her the pictures, and somewhere during that time I realized that I was just gonna suck it up. So I just like, whatever, you know, I'm gonna just do the best that I can with this particular wig. But I noticed a few days go by and she has not reached out to me. And I don't know if she's got those photos. She never reached out. And if I had not decided to keep the wig, I would have reached out again and been like, hey, you're gonna send me that address, or, you know, what's going on? I find it weird that she completely ghosted me after I sent her the photos. I don't know. I mean, as I said, maybe she didn't get the photos. I don't know. But yeah, I haven't heard anything from her. It wasn't even a text message back saying, hey, are you going to send those pictures? Or, hey, these pictures that you sent me aren't good enough. Can you send me some more? Or have you, even to inquire if I've decided to keep the wig. Hey, did you decide to keep the wig? Because I ain't got no pictures. I didn't get no pictures. Again, no shade to Beauty Forever. If you like the company, if you enjoy the company, if you haven't ever experienced this from the company and you're going to continue to buy and purchase from them, then by all means, I'm not trying to discourage you from doing you. But me personally, I think I'm good. But no shade again to this wig though, the wig actually is very nice despite it not being exactly what I ordered. I have been enjoying it for this last week. But before I get off that topic, I just want to give, I just want to put this out there. If you are a novice wig wearer, human hair wig wearer like myself, and you're trying to find the best, the best bang for your buck or whatever, a few tips that I've learned in this process is that, be mindful of the companies that you're buying for and what you're buying from them, okay? Because once they got your money, they're not obligated at all to give it back. They can make that process of a refund or exchange as hard as they want to. So be sure that you're getting what you want, and realize that the YouTubers who are reviewing these wigs, 9 times out of 10, they're being sent these wigs. Okay, so they're probably having little to no interaction with the website itself. Having to go on there, pick out this and pick out that. Usually these companies are reaching out to them saying, hey, we want to send you this in exchange for a review and use your picture or whatever it is that they're dealing with. And they're like, yes, okay, sure. And of course they're going to send them the best of what they have. So they're like, oh, it didn't really come with a send and it came really fast. And so, be mindful that that's probably not going to be your experience. It could take a long time and you could have a very chemically smell to your hair, so that you may have to treat. So just be mindful that your experience and these other YouTubers' experience is probably going to be completely different. So just be prepared for that. All right, so let's get into what we got. So I currently have on a black headband right now. It's to cover up the fact that this is a head half wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and try on these headbands to see how it looks. All right, so this is how the leopard print one is looking right here. All right, guys, and this is the yellow one. And it doesn't go with my shirt too much, but it's not terrible. I love this one. Really pretty. And I have 2 other headbands from which I purchased. These right here. I love these. So we're gonna start with the black one. So you do kind of have to wear these a bit further back because they are kind of heavy. They're kind of heavy, so they will fall off your head if you put them too far forward. So what I would do is just kind of like tuck this headband right here underneath it and just kind of hide that right there. So as best you can. The headband especially looks cute when your hair's in a pony. I really like this. This is so cute. Such a look. And last but not least is this beauty right here. This headband, like, I don't think you guys understand. This headband is gorgeous. Look at this. So pretty. And she's heavy. I'm talking about she is weighted. I wore this out not too long ago and she was just falling off I'm like, you really have to be careful because she will fall off your head. That's one of the cons to this one. She will fall off your head because she's so heavily beaded. So this is how she looks on. Very pretty. I love this one. Again, be sure when you're wearing these ones, if it bothers you, I should say, if it bothers you that the headband is peeking through, just go ahead and tuck that in. But wear these further back on your head because, like I said, they're a bit weighted and you don't want them falling down as you're looking down. So. All right, guys, that is it for this wig review. That is my time. just to reiterate, I love this wig. Despite, like I said, it not being exactly what I was hoping for, I do like it. I do like it a lot. I'm going to, of course, continue wearing it until I can't wear it anymore. And hopefully in the future, I can purchase an actual headband wig that will be an actual headband wig. So so stay tuned for that. If you enjoy these types of videos, give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel because I got a lot more good content coming that I have planned, and I'm excited to do that for you guys. Be sure to follow me on all my socials down below in the description box, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Later days.